Hey, today I will give you the best 5 mods you can buy for under $1,000 for your Mustang. First mod of this list, taillights. These beautiful European looking taillights from €550 are the best bang for your buck. Follow me. They fit all 15 through 22 Mustang models and they are killing the aftermarket game. They are super easy to install. They are full plug and play. Installation can be done within 10 minutes or less. The price of these taillights can be around $450 or $700 depending on the quality of the product and the company as well. Next up, best mod for under $1,000. This carbon fiber steering wheel was designed by Carbon Bargain. It was inspired by the GT350 and the GT350R. You can get it with perforated leather like this one right here or Alcantara and different stitching color options as well as forged carbon fiber, but that's a little bit more expensive. The installation on this one, it's gonna be a little bit more complex because you have to mess with the electrical wiring. So if you got electrical skills, you can do it yourself. The price on this beautiful mod, it's about $800, but there are a lot of cheaper options depending on the setup that you choose. Next best mod for under $1,000, IBAC lower springs. Lowering your car is the best and most necessary mod will instantly give it a more aggressive and flashy look. There are many lowering options. You can do lower springs, coilovers, or bags. Bags are more on the expensive side, so we're not gonna get into that. Coilovers are next up. They're a little bit pricey, but there are a lot of brands, so looking for one under $1,000, it's gonna be pretty easy. But if you want the best bang for your buck, that's gonna save you a lot of money and at the same time give you such an amazing all-muscle car stance. You gotta go with the IBAC lower springs. I got my IBAC lower springs from American Muscle. The drop, it's about 1.5 inches on the front and 1 inch on the rear. It looks so intimidating and aggressive. The installation for the IBAC lower springs, it's kind of difficult. But if you got mechanical skills, it should be easy for you. But if not, like I always tell people, just go to your most trusted shop. But installation can be done between 2 to 4 hours. Might take 6 hours if it's your first time, but it can be done. And the price can be between $250 and $300. But with everything going up, it's probably gonna go around the $300 mark. What's next up? Well, next up is canards. Carbon fiber canards can insanely change the front look of your Mustang. And there are many different options. For my Mustang, I went with the Anderson Composites Carbon Fiber GT option. Composites. Good hit.
Composites.
Yeah. But I don't think they make them anymore. But don't worry guys, there are many companies that make the same type of carbon fiber canard and they make them on a lot of different shapes. They can be small, you can have 2, or you can have some even bigger than this one. And they are even some that are super aggressive. A complete track setup for a lot of downforce on the track. The installation is pretty easy. Just take the bumper off, some drilling onto it, and bolt it on. It's an easy job. It should take about 30 to an hour, and the price, it's about $250 to $300. And last but not least, another mod that it's a must for the front of your Mustang. A change that will definitely make your Mustang stand out. There are many companies that make so many grills for the front of your Mustang. Either a 15 through 17 or 18 through 22. And prices can vary. But one thing is for sure, the cost of any grill, it's gonna be definitely under $500. Unless you go with something fancy, such as the Mustang Mach-1 grill and lights. And they go for $700 to $800. But the price for a grill, that's not necessary. But definitely, there's a lot of options. You can choose between no grill, basically a grill delete, a custom grill like the one I have, or many other options from eBay or Amazon. But that's up to you, depending if you wanna rise your Mustang, showcase your Mustang, or drag your Mustang. To each their own. Well, that was the best 5 mods you can buy for under $1,000 for any Mustang from 15 through 22. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like it, hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys like this list. If you guys want to see more Mustang content, I'm gonna leave some more videos on the screen. Also, if you guys want to see a beautiful story, you guys can hit and watch the Corvette series. And thank you guys, till the next one.
Till next time, my glizzy gobblers.